was a voice in the shadows, a whisper at night, chasing sparks that faded from sight. Then I met a flame, fierce and bold, a spark I could never let go.
I was a song in the wind, wild and free, a melody looking for harmony. Then I met a voice, deep and true, and found a tune I never knew.
Echo and flame, song and fire, two hearts drawn close, climbing higher. A duet of dreams, where two worlds meet, in rhythm, in rhyme, wild and sweet.
You brought me light, like dawn's first rays, turning all my shadows to brighter days. With every note, you take my hand, together we're a promised land.
And you're the spark that I can't escape, the wildfire no storm could ever break. You're more than a muse, you're more than the tune, you're the night's sweet hum beneath the moon. Echo and flame, song and fire, two hearts in step, climbing higher. A duet of dreams, bound to soar, in harmony now, forevermore. Echo and flame, wild and free, two hearts drawn close, climbing high. A duet of dreams where two worlds meet, in rhythm and rhyme, wild and sweet.
You brought me light, like dawn's first rays, turning all my shadows to brighter days.
You brought me light, like dawn's first rays, climbing higher. And you brought me light, like dawn's first rays, turning all my shadows to brighter days. With every note, you take my hand, together we're a promised land. And you're the spark that I can't escape, the wildfire no storm could ever break. You're more than a muse, you're more than the tune, you're the night's sweet hum beneath the moon.
Together we're a promised land.
Together we soar, in laughter and sound.
With every chord,
Our feet leave the ground. Two voices that rise like stars in the night, finding their place, burning bright. Echo and flame, wild and free, a melody bound in harmony.
two souls entwined, hearts alight, together we sing side by side.
We found the spark that won't ever fade, in echo and flame the song we made.